Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to conduct a univariate t-test in Excel and why this might be important for you in the future. So if you don't already have the data analysis tool pack installed in Excel, you'll want to do that now. I have two videos that can help you with this, but we're going to go ahead and jump in. So with the Coastal Star sales data, we have some salesperson information, and then we also have information on previous sales and current sales. I added an additional column that is the sales goal of each salesperson that we've implemented. This could be many different variations. Each salesperson could have different sales goal, but we made it simple to where the sales goal is standard for every salesperson. And what we're wanting to look at here is, because we've set a population parameter, which means that we would like, or we would expect to see, that all of the sales people have a sales of 500,000. And so that's our population parameter. And we can compare our mean of current sales to that mean of your sales goal. And so whenever we do this, we would want to state our null hypothesis, which is there's no difference in the mean of current sales and the mean of the sales goal. If we wanted to look at, just to say, okay, there's no difference between these, we would look at the two-tailed t-test. And if we're wanting to say the mean of current sales is greater than the sales goal, because we've looked at descriptively, this is about $300,000 larger. So we could say the mean of current sales is greater than the sales goal. And to do that, we would look at the one-tailed t-test. So for us to do this in Excel, we would need to go to the Data tab and select Data Analysis. We would select the t-test paired to sample for means and click OK. We would select our current sales data, and then we would select our sales goal data. We wouldn't hypothesize a mean difference here. There's no need to. And we would include our labels. Our alpha value is 0.05 because we are going to use the 0.05 cutoff criteria. Then we would click OK. And it's pretty simple from here. We can see that our t-test, the output, shows us the average that we've already computed. That matches to the average we computed by hand. And we can also see that our 11 observations match. Now looking at the t-statistic, because that's positive, we know that it is in the positive range instead of the negative side of the distribution. If the t-statistic were negative, we would, and significant, we would say that the mean of current sales is significantly lower than the sales goal. However, here it is positive and it is significant, so we can say that the mean of current sales is larger than our sales goal. Now here, whenever we're looking at the two-tail, and looking at the two-tail, there's a great video that I've included in your modules that talks about the difference between two-tail and one-tail. And this is non-significant because we get a p-value of 0.09. However, we know that if we're looking at this, we're saying that there is no difference. So it accounts for that lower tail, and it accounts for the upper tail whenever we're doing our two-tail t-test. So our main focus on this, because we've seen descriptively that our mean for current sales is so much larger than our sales goal, then we could just do a one-tailed t-test and say current sales is larger than our sales goal, which is a great thing. And so that is how to conduct that univariate t-test. I've shown you how to look at the two-tailed t-test and also the one-tailed t-test. And if you have any other questions about this, feel free to email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu.